Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Tina here. Oh my god, I haven't seen you guys in so long, right? I'm gonna show you guys a clip of this like Zara haul I filmed in the summertime because I told you guys I was doing it, and then I'm gonna delete it because excuse me. Anyway, so I've been like sick. I caught COVID, so I've been in bed for 2 months, and then as soon as I got over that, I pulled my right shoulder muscle so badly that I couldn't even take a deep breath. I don't know if you guys ever experienced this, so I couldn't lift my arms. Okay, so that's what's been going on with me. I didn't want to just all of a sudden show up and act like nothing happened. I hope you and your family are really safe and happy this holiday season, and if you're in the US, happy Thanksgiving everyone. Okay, so today's video is going to be holiday hairstyles. So for this first hairstyle, it's more like a hair hack or hair tip. I'm going to show you how to make your curls look more voluminous and fuller looking, even curlier actually. What you need is a wide tooth comb and a paddle brush. Paddle brushes are, I'm going to put a picture here for you guys because I didn't clean it, and I know some of you guys get really triggered seeing dirty brushes. So first you're going to part your hair as you normally would, and then divide your hair in half. Now grab your wide tooth comb to brush out any tangles you might have, and then pull that section tightly to create a smooth surface. Now take your paddle brush and back comb it in a couple of spots, plump up that section, and do the same on the other side. Now you're going to go back to the original section and look for the curl formation. You know how curls are in and out, in and out? Well, you're going to look for the dent in your curl to back comb, and that's going to create a more defined curl wave for you guys. And this should take no longer than like 2 minutes to do, honestly. And I will finish this off by applying some texturizing spray to make my hair look more even fluffier, or dry shampoo. And that's all there is to it. So for the next few updos, I want my hair to be more smooth and sleek and less frizzy. So I'm going to straighten it with this very easy straightening brush from Minizone. And I'm going to show you guys the two levels of straightness or smoothness. One is the lazy method that creates like waves, and the other one is more straight with a bend at the end. So they sent this to me about 3 months ago, and it has become my go-to because out of all my hair tools, this is literally the easiest and the fastest way I can style my hair. But I want to show you guys this little clip that I took the very first day that I tested out this product. My hair is definitely different. It's longer, thicker, shinier, and I'm not wearing hair extensions, and my hair is this thick. This is before I started losing so much hair from medication, you guys. And the reason why I'm showing this to you now is because today I'm gonna do a straight hair but with a slight bend at the end, because when you have a bend at the end, it's easier to do updos on yourself. So I just want to show you guys that you can achieve the straight style with this device. So what's the difference between a straightening brush and a flat iron? Flat iron basically makes your hair flat and straight, but a straightening brush will straighten your hair without killing your volume. And when you use a straightening brush instead of a flat iron, you don't need to use another comb to use with the iron. And straightening brush, you can take bigger sections, which means that it's not going to take friggin' forever doing your hair like you would with the flat iron. So with a straightening brush, all I'm doing, if I want my hair to be straight, is I divide my hair in half and I straighten the top and the bottom section and once at the end. And if you want your hair to be, curled slightly at the ends, tuck in or tuck out, you can also wrap the hair around the brush before you finish it. I'll show you guys right here. So the way you use this is you section your hair as you would with a flat iron, and you can take bigger sections with a brush. And then you're going to just kind of like brush your hair, making sure that your hair is touching the plates. When you turn this on, you can see the light blinking, and when the light is steady, that means you can use it. But you see how the brush part has this red part? That is the iron part. You have to make sure your hair is touching the plate as you slowly move the brush down. And of course, if you have thicker, curlier hair, hair, you have to, take smaller sections and move the brush down more slower. And the place releases ionic energy, which means that, it's less damaging to your hair. You don't have to worry about like excessive damage with this brush. It also neutralizes static and frizz. So here's what's in the box. You get the brush. It's kind of big too, which is nice. Bigger the better, so it'd be faster. So they give you 2 free clips, the gloves that you don't really need to use because the iron doesn't get super hot in the back. They also give you this pink traveling pouch and a lifetime warranty, which is really amazing because if it breaks down 5 years from now, you can always get it replaced. But I think I forgot to mention that you use this device on dry hair because it's more like a curling iron. It's not one of those loud, noisy blow dryers. It's basically a flat iron with a, comb attached to it. Okay, so if you guys want to go check this out, I'll leave a link down below for you guys with a discount code you can use for a limited time. This would be a great gift to someone who's not very good at their hair, like my sister. We're going to take a crown and make a ponytail. And then take the side section and tie it across the first ponytail. Next, take the top ponytail, create an opening, and then twist it clockwise to create a loop. And then you're going to loop your fingers through the hoop so you can grab the bottom ponytail so you can pull it through the loop. And lastly, you're going to scrunch up the hair elastics to tighten the hairstyle. And that's it. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to add on to that last half up style. So basically, we're going to do the same thing with the bottom sections of our hair.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas.
And then if you take the ends of your hair and wrap it around into a bun, it turns into this beautiful, gorgeous, wedding-worthy updo. This is my favorite.
Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas.
I'm going to show you guys how to do a French twist braid bun. It shouldn't look like a braid though. It should just look like a very romantic bun. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your crown, divide it in half, twist both sections going clockwise, and then combine it counterclockwise all the way down. Also, I need to tell you guys that my hair extension tracks are showing here. I lost a lot of hair over the summer because I couldn't get up to apply my serum. My hair is a lot thinner than it usually is. So if you have thin hair like me, you should probably not attach your hair extensions this high up. And then when you get to about your neck, you're going to tie it into a ponytail. And then take the ends, wrap it around into a bun shape, pin it in place, and then just loosen everything up. The key to this updo is to take big sections so it doesn't look like a French twist braid. It should look like a regular updo and not a braid. And this next hairstyle is a very lazy but elegant ponytail. So you're going to divide your hair in half and make 2 ponytails, with the top being a little thicker than the bottom. So next, you're going to take the bottom ponytail, create an opening, and then pull the top ponytail through it. And then take the bottom hair elastic, scrunch it up to tighten the hairstyle. And then you're going to take the smaller ponytail and put it in the bottom and pin it in place so that they don't move around. Alright, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. Big thanks to Minizone for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to go check out this amazing hairbrush, the links will be down below. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.